Hi guys, here we are at Carlton on Trent level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, time is 16:52 on Wednesday the 23rd of September 2000. This is for our 16:54 1 Delta 20 Virgin Trains East Coast Service from Ludicrous Cross at Leeds. I might as well stand on the other side. And I've just been I'm joined by Golden Minecart, which I've just phoned up. Hello?
Hi.
You're right. I'm at Carlton on Trent level crossing.
You're at where? Sorry?
Carlton on Trent level crossing.
Carlton on Trent. Is that on East Coast Main Line?
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah.
That's the Newark North Gate.
Did you get that call on your message on your personal phone?
I don't know who was calling me on the actual call.
That was the other on proper phone call. It was actually me.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Did you actually know what that livery was when I showed you it?
Yeah.
That was National Railway Museum. That was. I have to look out for 238 around from now on. I took a picture. I took a proper picture of it on my iPad, but I had to show it on my phone because I've not got internet on my iPad to send to you. Right, we've got.
She's coming.
Yeah, she's just popping up now. She's about 100 metres away. It never usually. The crossing's never usually down for very long here. Oh god, someone just flushed the toilet in one of the carriages. It's going to splash all over me now. 43, 319! 43, 319, 43, 306 to Leeds, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.